Hey, what's up everybody? How you doing today? We have a special unboxing. This is a wireless extender from TP-Link. I'm gonna see what's inside here. This is the top notch if you want looking for something for to extend your Wi-Fi in the market. As you can see, we have around 1700 megabytes per second for 5 gigahertz, and we have 800 megabytes per second for 2.4 gigahertz. And this, as you can see, for antenna. So let's open up the box and see what we have inside here. I'm very interested in this box actually, because I needed this one. It's not for promotion or anything. I bought it myself, and I needed this because I have 4 walls blocking me for when I'm trying to play games. So I needed something that can go as far as possible, and this is what I got from the market. Like, wow, what is this? This is so big, man. This thing is so big. Whoa, look at these holes. And here where you can see open airs for ventilation. Very interesting. This is so big, man. I never thought I would see a Wi-Fi extender that big. And these are the antenna. As you can see, they are not bendable. You can just switch this to make it like this. The other one and the other two. And if you do, you'll open the vents over here, and also you'll have these LED lights here that can show you the power and reset. So you have a very good amount of options. So make sure that it's not connected to a plug, just through the wall, and preferable to be the wall to be in a higher area. So this is really nice actually. And here, as you can see, 2 lights. If this is connected, it's going to show you the green, 5G and power. So pretty simple look and very heavy ventilated, as you can see, thick. So you know that it's not going to get blocked, or maybe get, the vents, the cooling is going to be nice, definitely. And we have Ethernet here, so if you want to connect straight over. And let's take a look at this small thing over here. Let's read what we have. It says AC2600, that the model number, MIMO Wi-Fi range extender. Now people say, why don't you get the wireless Wi-Fi 6? I got this because this has a better range, because as I said, I have multiple walls blocking my PlayStation gaming, so it's hard to get the signal. So I needed these type of antennas, and I'm gonna do a review later on telling you how my performance with these antenna later on with the PlayStation when it comes to the download. And yeah, that's really nice. And you get a booklet here, just the instructions. That's about it. Nothing else in the box, man. Pretty simple. Thank you guys, and see you in another video.